if the equation is in special form like this, you just read it in 1 second. Just getting slope is so easy. Okay? Let's start number 10. Question here is, there is an equation given, but here is my question, and true or false? This equation is in slope intercept form. Is that right? Is this equation in slope intercept form? True or false? False. Why? Because the letter y, the variable y, is not isolated yet. It's not been isolated, right? So what is this one called then, if it's not slope intercept form? It's called standard form, right? Isn't it called standard or general form? Which one was it? Standard form. We named it as standard form if x and y are on the left side. Okay, it's in standard form. Standard form. And we need to change it into slope form. Slope intercept form. Guess how? By isolating y. To isolate y, what do I need to do? I will first remove 4x from the left side by subtracting 4x from either side. Cancel, cancel. You see 4x is gone. So you have only 3y left. Now where does 4x go then? It goes to the right side as minus 4x. And it doesn't subtract from 12, so it comes next to 12. Like this. Positive 12 is here. Negative 4x is in front. I like x's first, then numbers. So I put this in front of 12. Okay? Next. Is y isolated yet? Is y ready? No, we still need to get rid of 3. So I divide both sides by 3. Is that right? Is this the right way to do it though? No, this 3 will divide everything on the right side. Be careful, it's not the just first number you're dividing by 3. You have to divide both terms. There are 2 terms here. 2 terms. You need to divide each and every one by 3. How? This way. First, let's get rid of these. Well, can you divide 4 by 3? No, but you can write it like this. 4 over 3x. I want to keep x a little bit off of this fraction. Can you put it right next to 4? Yeah, you can. I want to leave a little bit space between them and keep x out of this fraction. How about 12 over 3? Isn't 12 over 3 a whole number? It's reduced to 4. So that's it. The slope intercept form you're looking for is negative 4/3 x plus 4. Right? How do I know this is slope intercept form again? Y is isolated. Y is alone. Look. And I'm sure this is slope intercept form. Why is this so useful? Why do you want to acquire this form? Why do you think this question wants us to write the equation slope in? Why aren't you happy with this? No, standard form is pretty much useless. This is precious. Why?
Because it already tells you what the slope is.
Without any extra work, you can just read the slope out of this equation. You don't have to get 2 points, subtract them and divide them, or you don't have to graph to compute slope. You can read the slope right here. This is the slope. And what is this for? Even the second number is useful. You put 0, comma, and take this number right here and build up your y-intercept. You can determine slope and y-intercept directly. This is y-intercept. And then how did I get it again? You put 0 and 4 after that. Okay? Any questions? Which question was this? 10? Slope is negative 4 over 3. Y-intercept is 0, 4. And slope intercept form is y equals negative 4/3 x plus 4. Looks good? Check. We're good. In the next step, part 2, we are going to graph it. Graph using the slope and y-intercept. You don't have to only use slope, and if you like you can get 2 points. You already have 1 point computed for you, 0, 4. If you like you can get x-intercept and connect those 2 points and graph it. It's more healthier actually. I don't like graphing from slope and y-intercept, but since the question pushes us, I will do it anyways. Alright, first I start with y-intercept. Where is the y-intercept? 0, 4, right? Here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now which way are we gonna move? Its slope is gonna tell you which way. We are going down because negative 4/3 is the slope, right? Negative 4/3. But how can I make negative 4/3 slope? Maybe we should investigate on this. If you have a negative slope, it's going down. But if you have a fraction, fractional slopes are actually easier to understand, because the top number is, this number is rise, the bottom number is run. That means you go 3 steps right. This means 3 steps right and 4 steps down. It's not technically rise because you're sliding. 4 means how much you're going down. 3 means how much you're going east. I will go 3 bucks to the right, 4 bucks down. Why down, not up? Because of the negative sign, sliding. Alright, I go first 3 steps right, 1, 2, 3, and now 4 steps down, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is slope negative 4/3. I'm a little off. I should have hit x-axis. Can I fix it? I need to first delete this. Okay. 4, 0, 0, 4, 3 right, 4 down. But again, it's a lot safer if you get these 2 dots. They are called y and x intercepts, and you know how to do it by chart table method. And make these dots and sketch after that, but it's okay. You can do what with the slope as well. That's correct. What if you have slope only a whole number? What does this -3 say, for example? You can still understand this as rise over run. You're going 3 down and 1 right.